Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker SONY ULT FIELD 7. So normally we have a few options how to check it. We can use a control panel, but as you can see right here we have no information about battery level. Also normally we can go to the settings, connected devices, check it right here, and on some devices we can also click at the settings icon and check it right here, but the same problem that there is no battery percentages. So the only option how to check it is to use an application. We have the application, you need to add your speaker to it, and right here if you add it you will see a better percentages of your speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!